Okay, so let's get started. Yay! Okay guys, now we're gonna get started by pouring our glow-in-the-dark Elmer's glue inside of our bowl. So let's get started. Open the top. Clear it as much as possible.
You said I can help you. You need more hands, girl. See? That's why you need more hands. Good girl. Now, just...
Now we're gonna put water inside the bottle halfway, about like right here.
Don't spill it. Ow.
Okay, it's about halfway, so now we're gonna pour it inside. Well, now we're gonna put the top on.
Shake it.
Shake it. You can shake it.
Yay!
Shake it, Lili.
Okay.
Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it.
Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it.
Set this to the side.
Don't spit.
Now we're going to
See if we can get more of the glue out. And if we can't, then we'll
It's
just put more
bubbling.
water. If we can't get all of the glue out.
whoa.
Oh, that was a lot.
Y'all saw that?
Yeah, then
You
we...
can't squirt it out.
Hey, bubbles went on the table.
You're funny. Okay, that's looks like it's it.
Yeah, we're gonna put that top on.
Now we're gonna mix it.
I wanna help.
Okay, guys. Now we're gonna pour our
Activator!
yeah, and I'm gonna do this part so you can't touch your eyes or your face with this. So we're gonna open this.
Yeah.
Because then you would have big giant chunks on your spoon. So you're gonna pour it slowly.
Drops. Drop.
Mixy mix.
This would be cool because we get to test out the glue in the dark.
Yeah, we're gonna do that at the end.
Yeah. At the end of the video. You would smell steak.
Mixy, mixy, mixy.
Ooh, it's turning into
Whoa,
slime.
guys, y'all see that?
It's turning into glittery glow-in-the-dark slime. It's glittery, so.
I don't even know if this is going to turn into slime.
Yeah, because there's all that water and bubbles. But it's turning into slime, though.
Guys, I think it's worked.
Yeah. But it might get a little messy because we have to like mix it up and pour it on the table.
So much.
Get mad.
So what I like to do is I take a little bit of the slime and knead it out at one time. At a time.
It turned white.
And it's turning into slime, guys.
I can't wait.
Yeah, you're funny.
I'm not funny, Lili. Dude, I want to try. So mix it up with the one, makes it like come together quickly. You can't do it. I know you can.
It's just slowly. I'm gonna do it fast.
I'm ready. Yay! Finally mixed it up with the other one. You can't do my sister. You can't do it, sister. You can't do it. Go, sister. You can't do it. Go, Tristyn. You can't do it. Yeah, can do it. You can do it. Yeah, you can do it. Yay. Do it.
So guys, now I'm gonna give you a close-up. So this is close-up.
Whoa, you make a bubble. That's cool. I want you to try and make a bigger bubble. And, oh, you make two butt cheeks.
This is like a clear slime.
I know, I want to see it go in the dark now. I just can't. So now you're just going to stretch it and have fun.
Woo!
Ooh,
I'm
so
trying to make
cool.
a swirl, guys.
Yeah, swirly, swirly, swirly. My sister's a little bad, but I like her swirls. It's good. Oh, like does something like. Can y'all do that for me? And whatever.
And that's my slime, guys.
Yay! Let's go. We're about to go test the glue in the tank.
So let's do that, guys. So now, guys, we're gonna test out if it glows in the dark. So here it is. It glows. Can y'all see that?
If it glows to a neon green,
It's like neon. That's so cool. This one might be one of my favorite slimes that I made.
and can even use those for lights.
Whoa. So cute, Mama. I thought the glowing in the dark would not work because the last time I made a glow in the dark, that one did not glow in the dark. I think I had added way too much activator. I don't know. But this one is the best slime ever. I wish y'all can come here. I wish YouTube allows people to reach inside the cameras and feel like the slimes. Thank you for watching. I hope you like our video. Make sure you subscribe. Bye.